In this video today we will see what to do if the WhatsApp application icon is missing from the home screen or the apps screen of your Samsung device, although it is installed. So what you do is you go to this apps screen, tap on this search box and you have to type WhatsApp. So if the application is still installed, you can see the icon here. After that, what you do, tap and hold the app icon, select locate app, and you will go to this option. So if you see at the top there is hidden apps, and under this hidden apps you can see 3 applications. So WhatsApp is also hidden in this device. So what you need to do is you need to tap on this minus icon here. This will remove the application icon from this hidden app. After that, select apply. Once you do it, the WhatsApp application icon should be available on this apps screen. So if I scroll all the way to the end, I can see WhatsApp application icon here. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please like and comment on the video.